So we can also have double differentiation. For example, if y is equal to 4s raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus 2, find the square y over the s squared. So if you say question like this, you say you have the square y over the s squared, it means you should differentiate 2 times. So the ones we have been doing since is differentiating just once. So but this one will differentiate 2 times. So that means to solve this, we'll first do the y over the s. That is, we'll differentiate this normal, the way we have learned the differentiation. So now let's differentiate this. We'll have differentiate 4s cubed. So that will be 12s squared. How do we get that? So you multiply 4 by 3. So 4 times 3, 12. Also subtracts 1 from the power. So I've done that in video 1. So plus differentiate 2s squared. That's 4x. 2 times 2, 4. Then subtract 1 from the power. To differentiate constant, you get 0. So normally this is the y, the s. So if you differentiate this again, this answer, so that is the second time, and that is the square y over the s square, meaning you should differentiate 2 times. So now differentiate this again. So 12 times 2, 24x, that is this times this, 24x plus 4. Because if you differentiate 4x, is 4 times 1, and that's 4. So I've explained in video 1. So that is how you can differentiate double differentiation. That is, if you have the square y over the s square, as in like that. Let's say the question says the cube y over the s cube. So if I have this, it means I should differentiate again 3 times. So differentiate 24x, that will be 24. 4 will be 0, as in like that. So if y is equals to this, find the square y over the s square, means find the y, the s the first time. Now differentiate this answer again to get the second differentiation. So like that, depend on the number, and if it is the cube y over the s cube, differentiates again 3 times. So the number of power here determine the number of times you are going to differentiate. So that's it. So if I have again differentiate, that is, if y is equals to 2s plus 1 raised to power 4, find the square y over the s square. So we have done this under function of a function. So but this means you should differentiate 2 times. I will have y is equals to 2s plus 1 raised to power 4. So find the y over the x, that is, differentiate the first time. So how do I differentiate this function of a function? So the first thing I say, write the power. The power is 4. This power, write it 4. Open a bracket. Now differentiate what you have in this bracket. So I have 2x plus 1. So differentiate, that is 2. So then rewrite everything in the bracket. Then subtract 1 from the power. So I've done this in video 3. So you can watch again. So now the y over the s is equals to 4 times 2, 8. So that is 8 brackets 2s plus 1 raised to power 3. So this should be the answer for the y, the s. But the question says the square y over the s square, meaning you should differentiate this again, this answer. So as usual, you have 8, this 8 is this, write it. Now here differentiate again, it means this 3 will come down. As in this power, you write it first the same way again. Differentiate what you have in the bracket, that's 2. Rewrite everything in the brackets, that is 2x plus 1. Subtract 1 again from the power 2. So this will be 8 times 3, 24. 24 times 2, 48, bracket 2s plus 1 raised to power 2. So that means you have differentiated 2 times. That is the square y over the s square.